Shall study food and its components. Basically, we eat food to get all these components: carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, and minerals. Otherwise, if any food is not providing all these things, then actually there is no need to eat food. We want food to have carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, and minerals because they are the most important component of the food, and these are called nutrients. Roughage, dietary fiber, water are also important component of food. What do you mean by roughage and dietary fibers? What do you mean by roughage? Okay, let me tell you that when we eat orange or watermelon, so or best thing is to tell you that when we take out a juice of some fruit, ठीक है, like we are taking juice out of watermelon or we are taking juice out of orange, then something that is left behind which remains in the sieve, chalni, that is not going into the soup or the juice. So that what is remain, they are thread like structures that present in the orange or in banana or in the watermelon. These are called as roughage, ठीक है, and they are very important for our food. So it is always better to eat a fruit than to drink a juice. It's always better to eat a fruit than to drink juice. Okay, so different food items are classified into the following categories on the basis of the nutrients present in them and their functions in our life. Energy giving food, carbohydrate and fat. Body building food, proteins. Protective food, vitamins and minerals. Means when we want energy, we need energy to live, okay, to work or to even listen, or when I am speaking I also need energy, and when I am listening, then also I need energy. So all these need energy to do work. So carbohydrate and fat, they give us energy. Next, body building means protein. When we are when we want that our body should be made, when we are growing up, or growing up for our hair and all, or muscles, we need protein. Next, protective food means the things which keep us away from diseases. They are vitamins and minerals. They help us to protect from disease, so they are vitamins and minerals. Now let us discuss various nutrients one by one. Now carbohydrates are made of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. In our food they are present in the form of sugar or starch. Sugar, you know sugar, but where the starch is present? The starch, when we are cutting potato, okay, when we are cutting potato, that potato is having, means white color, the corn starch you have seen, corn starch. Nowadays the children are well aware of the corn starch because they are eating Manchurian and all, na? So we have to dip the Manchurian balls in corn starch. We have to make the Manchurian balls out of corn starch. White, very powdery thing, that is starch. When you taste it, it is tasteless. No taste, no sweet. Like sugar is sweet, starch is tasteless. Like potato ho gaya. Now rice also. Rice, when we eat rice, that also, it doesn't have that much of the sweet taste. Maad, jo maad bolte hain na, rice water, then you taste it, it is of no taste. So this is the sugar and starch. The carbohydrates, they are present in our diet, are source of energy. They give us energy. So when we eat fruits or we eat rice, we drink glucose, sugar, we are very energetic. After a walk, when we are drinking juice, then we are energetic. Now fruits like mango, banana, lychee, melon are rich in sugar. Cereals like wheat, rice, maize are rich sources of starch. Maize is another name of corn. ठीक है, corn, they are used, they are eaten by people, and maize also, but maize can be used for they may be eaten by the cattle also. Cattle like cows, like that, okay, cow, buffaloes and all. Some vegetables like potato, sweet potato also contain starch. Sweet potato also contains starch. Now it's very important because these tests is very important. I am telling you children, whatever you are learning now, reading now, it will all is very important when you go to standard 10. I am telling you, because if you are listening my thing in very clearly, if you are listening to me, then when you go to class 10 and when you are appearing exam na, class 10 board exam, then definitely it is going to help you, because this time a question comes when it needed test for starch. एक क्वेश्चन आया था, वन क्वेश्चन हैज़ कम वेयर दे आस्क्ड फॉर टेस्ट फॉर स्टार्च, मीन्स वन ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन हैज़ कम where you just had to, where the children of class 10 had to write the test for starch and the full marks of 5 marks was to be given. But if you are not remembering this thing, test of starch and all, तब हो सकता है कि you may miss it. So each and everything, because you are in class 6 now, each and everything you should make it very clear, and after that I will ask questions, I will make questions out of this chapter, inside questions, and I will ask you inside questions, I will ask, and that you have to submit me. Okay, now test for sugar. One solution is there, materials required: Benedict solution, test tube, dropper, test tube holder, gas burner और the spirit lamp. Spirit lamp means gas का जैसा एक लैम्प होता है, spirit lamp. Benedict solution is a type of thing. Test tubes, test tubes you also have seen in the chemical labs or in the pathology where we go for blood test. The test tubes are kept in the many children, by listening to me you might have got the picture of the test tube holder from which we hold the test tube, gas burner. Now procedure, how we are doing it: take the given food sample, suppose sugar you have taken, add a few drops of Benedict solution, a few drops of it, carefully heat the test tube, then we heat the test tube. Notice the color change, if any, if there is any color change. If sugar is present, it will turn orange. If any food item is containing sugar, then it will turn, after putting the Benedict solution, it will turn orange. Now test for starch: iodine solution, test tube, dropper. Now take the material which is to be added, tested. Now add iodine solution. It is very important. If the starch is present, then the material will turn into blue black color. Iodine is violet in color, violet crystal or liquid is there, deep violet color. But when we put some iodine into the sugar, in the starch, not on the sugar, it will not work on the sugar. That violet color will remain as violet color. But when starch is there, then that starch, due to that starch, violet color iodine will converted into blue black color. This is very important, children, you must understand. And after this, after teaching these lines and previous ones, after this I am going to give you some home assignments. Okay, thank you.